Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday, the 12th of June 2020. The time is currently 5:11 a.m. here local in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts and what I've done on this morning. The new candle was at 4 a.m. this morning, which was 1 hour and 11 minutes ago. It's just taken me a little while to go through all the spreadsheets and update all the charts, etc. Let's get on to them. Let's find them first. So this is my trading view watch list on the 12-hour charts. These are all the pairs I'm trading. If it's highlighted in blue, means there's trades currently on. If it's highlighted in orange, means I'm going to discuss it in the video. So just about every pair's got something happening. So we'll start with the CAD Swiss today with a lot of trade management. A lot of trade sequences have gone through break even, where I have, well, not a lot, but a few, where I've closed a lot of trades and put stops in place and taken some profit, etc. So we'll start with the CAD Swiss. I've left all the lines on the chart. I've just taken them off the MACD Platinum where trades have been closed. So I'll tidy up all these charts after, but basically I'll be removing all these lines here on this, except for the last trade, the last sell. So this started with a sell, hedge buy, second sell, second hedge buy, third sell, third hedge buy, then a fourth sell. So there's your fourth sell. So what I've done is I've closed all these trades up until the fourth sell, and on the fourth sell I've closed 0.14 and put a stop in place, which is the red dotted line at 71071. So all I've got now is this one sell trade and a stop in place. Took a profit there on the CAD Swiss of $44.48. That's been added to the total here. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet on Google Drive. Everyone's got access to that spreadsheet. There's a link to that spreadsheet in the description of the video. I've been trading these since the 3rd of Feb this year. So it's been what is it now? It's nearly 5 months of action, so it's been pretty good actually. So that was this yellow dash line was my overall break even for all of these trades. So I've started taking trades here. Price has gone against me, kept on taking them, bang, big move today. This is the MACD Platinum. It's a zero lag MACD, oscillates around this zero level. Basically, I'm looking for sells when it's above the zero level and buys when it's below the zero level. So we're above here, we're in a sell sequence. As soon as the MACD Platinum's gone through that zero level, I'm looking to take action past the break-even level, hence all the close of the trades. Like I said, by the time you see this chart again, next video, all these trades lines will be gone. I'm not going to do it now, it'll take too much time. CAD Yen. Very similar scenario if it comes up. Might have to pause for a bit. Here it comes. Slowly. All right, the video's not, charts aren't coming up as well as I'd like. Here we go. All right, same deal. I started a sell sequence. This one's a lot cleaner. The MACD Platinum's remained above the zero level the whole time. So again, it's very similar. I've closed all these previous trades, left this last trade on, put a stop in place. There's my break even. Profit in that overall was $135.41, and that's been added to the total there. So again, I'll remove all these lines, and all you'll have is this vertical red line, this horizontal red line, and the stop in place. Well and truly through the break even, MACD Platinum through the zero level. So that's a CAD Yen, another good result. Euro Aussie, this is what this happened overnight. Now I've stopped out on 2 sell trades. So I've already tidied up the chart, so I'm still in this big ugly sequence 1. Look, we're getting close to all my break evens. You can read it, pause the video, read my notes. Sometimes I might be talking too quick, people don't understand me, or English is not your first language. So you can pause the video. So S1 sequence 1 is this one over here. It starts here. This is where it starts. Sequence 2 starts here. Sequence 2 and sequence 3. Now you notice on sequence 1 it's got a break-even level. Sequence 2's got a break-even level. And sequence 3's got a break-even level. And there's also an overall break-even level for all trades. So the sequence 3 break-even, we're already well through that. I should probably look at doing something with that and closing it. I might come back and adjust that one because we're well through it and the MACD platinum's through the 0 level on the sequence 3. So I probably missed that this morning. So by the afternoon video, if I do one, I'm looking at closing sequence 3. We're into the close to sequence 2 break-even level. And the overall break-even and the sequence 1 break-even levels are these two yellow lines, two top yellow lines. So we're getting close on all these trades. A lot of trades here. I'll be glad to see some profit. You can see the back of it. As you can see, I've made a fair bit of profit on this pair already. It's been kind to me, but there's a lot happening here, so I'd have to be conscious of overnight interest rates or swap rates because I've been trading this since late March. But we're going all right. I'll come back to that sequence 3. So I've stopped there on 2 sells that were previously, I'm not even sure where they were. So they were the original sequence 1 and sequence 2, and sequence 4, and everything's been adjusted to fit these new ones. So I'd say beyond here, this would be one of them, and the other one I think was this one up here. And there was a profit there of $62.57 overall, so it's all good. Right, Euro Yen. All right, another similar to the other previous ones. Again, in a sell, buy, second sell, second hedge buy, third sell. So I've closed these 4 previous trades. We're through the break-even level. MACD platinum through the 0 level. There's only a profit of $17.37, but that's good. I've still got 0.02 in play, stop and place. So I'll remove all these lines. Profit's been updated, looking good. So it's Euro Yen. Euro USD. All right. I'm already in a sell trade here. I've drawn this trend line along here. There's also red trend lines to signify bearish divergence. So in this case, it's regular bearish divergence. And a nice big candle down, break of the trend line, taking a second sell. So you can see, taking on a second sell, taking 1.12932, taking on a trend line break and regular bearish divergence. Overall break even just this yellow dashed line just below price. So I could have just let it go and not worried about it, but might as well try and add to it, see if we get a bit of extra profit. MACD platinum still above the 0 level, so we're looking pretty good there. So just trying to get a bit more profit if possible. So it hasn't got far to go anyway to get into profit. And the the price is still a long way above the 0 level. This is high risk sort of stuff in here. You can see the trends turning up. The MAs are starting to spread. But if you look sort of left on this chart, you could make a case that it's hit sort of a previous resistance level. I'll just draw it in here. So across, remember it's not an exact price. It is it's just an area, a level. So for the technical chartists, they love that sort of stuff, and I guess I do too. I'm one of them. So that's the Euro USD, just a second sell trade taken there. That's it on the 4 hours. I'll go on back and have a look at that Euro Aussie and fix that up and tidy up the rest of those charts. If you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and everyone is more than welcome to join the JAGfx Facebook group, etc., where I go into more the daily charts, etc. So looking good at the moment. We're starting to recover from a few of these trades after the coronavirus type issues. All right. Talk to you later, guys. Cheers.